My name is Paul Compton, and I have been the English teacher at Patrick Henry High School in North Minneapolis for over 20 years. Some 18 years ago, I was asked by a group of students to be their advisor for the Asian Cultural Club. As a person who had not been in North Minneapolis before, I had never heard the word Hmong before in my life. But after working with these students for 18 years, it has been a gift and a pleasure to see their talents, to learn about the culture and the community, and have that be a blessing not only to myself, but to our school community and the larger community around us. Over those 18 years, I've seen the students grow in their ability to express their culture and be less shy and restrained about sharing that with others. I've come to learn it's a culture of beauty, a culture of passion, and a culture of great art. I hope you will come to see our performance at the Luminary Arts Center, as these students have been working hard and building on the generations of elder siblings and parents to establish their culture, to preserve it, to make sure that the next generations don't forget about it. So I hope you will enjoy the performances not only of our original student-written play and the student actors who are part of that, but also of the hard work that's gone into the vocal and dance performances that our students have prepared for you for this show. Hope to see you on February 9th and 10th at 7 o'clock or Sunday the 11th at 3 p.m.